Welcome spectators, in today's interesting video we will talk about some curious and amazing facts about Algeria, Albania and Angola. Stay with us to gather this knowledge. Let's talk about Algeria. Algeria is the largest country in Africa and the 10th largest in the world. Arabic is the official language, but Berber is also recognized as a national language. Algeria is home to Tassili and Arja National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its prehistoric rock art and striking landscapes. Moving towards Angola. Angola is one of the few African countries where Portuguese is the official language. It is one of the largest oil producers in Africa. Calendula Falls, located on the Lucala River, is one of the largest waterfalls by volume in Africa. The falls are a spectacular natural attraction. Angola is home to a rich tapestry of ethnic groups, each with its own distinct language and cultural tradition. Finally, last but no the least, Albania has a unique feature, a surplus of bunkers. During the communist era, despite its small size, Albania is known for its religious diversity. Lake Skadar, shared with Montenegro, is the largest lake in the Balkans and is renowned for its biodiversity, including numerous bird species. The Albanian language uses a unique script called the Albanian alphabet, which has 36 letters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe the channel.